What do you think? What are some things that you love to see on resumes?
I like a traditional resume. I think now
Okay.
more things sometimes we modernize things a little bit too much. I tend to like a traditional format where your education is at the bottom and then your resume needs to be specific things that you've done. And so I translate it into the sales because that's what a lot of people understand. So if I was doing sales and say I had a business to business sales job and I was selling clothes and I was selling pants, so your pants, you don't wanna say, "Sold pants to biggest supplier." That doesn't tell me a lot. And
Hmm.
instead, you would say, "Number 5 in the company sold the most pants in 2020 with a growth of 13%." So
Right.
hiring managers love numbers, they love specifics, and the more specific you are in your resume, the better it is. So you don't wanna put good communication skills. That doesn't tell me much. Tell me about a
Right.
project you did. What did that lead to, and how did it grow the company? And if you think in those terms, then you're able to build your resume. One of the best resume books out there is Martin Yale's book, Knock 'em Dead. I highly recommend it. It's the resume book that is like the gold standard of resume books. It's got all the
Okay.
adjectives, it's got layouts, and it really teaches you really how you can be more specific in your resumes.
That's great advice. Yeah, knock 'em dead. I'll definitely have to check that out. I want to represent that to my audience.